Hello everyone, welcome to AKN Sprint Education. In today's session, let us discuss about matrices, 2 marks important questions. As we have discussed the concepts in our previous videos, so the most important 2 mark question is if x minus 3, 2y minus 8, z plus 2, 6 is equal to 5, 2, minus 2, a minus 4. Then find the values of x, y, z, a. So we have here two matrices. This is one matrix and this is another matrix. In between two matrices we have an equal sign. So this is our equal is equal to sign, right? Given two matrices are equal. If two matrices are equal, their corresponding elements are equal. Children, what is the corresponding element of x minus 3? As corresponding element of x minus 3 is 5. I mean, we need to equate x minus 3 with 5. Are you understanding? X minus 3 we need to equate with 5. Right? Similarly, the corresponding element of 2y minus 8 is 2. Right? So we need to equate 2y minus 8 with 2. Right? As well as the corresponding element of z plus 2 is minus 2. And the corresponding element of 6 is a minus 4, children. Did you understand? Because we are equating two matrices. When two matrices are equal, their corresponding elements are equal. So the corresponding element of x minus 3 is 5, and the corresponding element of 2y minus 8 is 2, and the corresponding element of z plus 2 is minus 2, and the corresponding element of 6 is a minus 4. Okay. Now we need to find the value of x. What to do? Minus 3 you transpose, so it will become plus 3, x equal to 5 plus 3. So we know that 5 plus 3 is 8. So we got x value 8. Right? Now coming to y value, the same manner, minus 8 transpose, it will become plus 8, minus 8 transpose plus 8. So 2y equal to, as 2 plus 8, 10. Here 2 is multiplying. If you transpose, it will divide. So y equal to 10 divided by 2. So 2 table, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. So what is the value of y? The value of y is 5. Right? Now coming to z value. As here it is plus 2. Transpose, it will become plus 2. If you transpose, it will become minus 2. So z equal to minus 2 minus 2, which is equal to minus 4. So what is the value of z, children? Z value is minus 4. Now coming to a value, that is 6 equal to a minus 4. Minus 4 you transpose, it will become 6 plus 4 equal to a, as 6 plus 4 which is equal to 10. So children, what is the value of a? A value is 10. I mean, x value is 8 and y value is 5. Z value is minus 4 and a value is 10. Okay. The similar question, if you observe the second question, x minus 1, 2, 5 minus y, 0, z minus 1, 7, 1, 0, a minus 5 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 7, 1, 0, 0. Again, two matrices are equal. If two matrices are equal, their corresponding elements are equal. Right? So the corresponding element of x minus 1 is 1, children. Are you understanding? Here the first element is x minus 1 equal to here first element is 1. Right? So minus 1 you transpose, x is equal to 1 plus 1. So x is equal to 2. We got x value. Right? Now coming to y value, if you observe here, second element is 2 here equal to 2 here. They are equal. Now the third element is 5 minus y. And here third element is 3. So 5 minus y equal to 3. Plus 3 transpose. 5 minus 3 equal to minus y if you transpose plus y. So as 5 minus 3 that is equal to 2, therefore the value of y is 2. So x value, y value we got. Now coming to z value, here the second row first element is 0, here also second row first element is 0, they are equal. Now coming to second row second element z minus 1, here the element is 4, we need to equate z minus 1 equal to 4, z minus 1 equal to 4, minus 1 if you transpose it will become plus 1. So z is equal to 4 plus 1, how much children? 4 plus 1 which is equal to 5. Now coming to a value, here the corresponding element of a minus 5 is 0. We need to equate their corresponding elements, right? So a minus 5 equal to 0. If you transpose minus 5, it will become plus 5. So what is the value of a children? A value is 5. Okay. These two sums are similar question children. Okay. If you practice, you will get easily 2 marks. Okay. Now coming to third question. Addition of matrices. Matrices A is given 2, 3, minus 1, 7, 8, 5. And matrix B is given 1, 0, 1, 2, minus 4, minus 1. Then find A plus B. They are asking to find A plus B. Okay. So let us find A plus B. A plus B is nothing but, what are the elements of matrices A? 2, 3, minus 1, 7, 8, 5. In between what we have children? Plus. Right? Now B. 1, 0, 1, 2, minus 4, minus 1. Addition of two matrices, we need to add their corresponding elements, right? That is, corresponding element of 2 is what? 1, right? That is 2 plus 1. Corresponding element of 3 is 0, that is 3 plus 0. And the corresponding element of minus 1 is 1. So minus 1 plus 1. And similarly, corresponding element of 7 is 2, that is 7 plus 2. Corresponding element of 8 is minus 4, so 8 plus minus 4. And the corresponding element of 5 is minus 1, so 5 plus minus 1, right? So 2 plus 1 that is equal to 3, 3 plus 0 that is equal to 3, minus 1 plus 1 which is equal to 0, and 7 plus 2, 9, 8 plus of minus 4, plus into minus minus, 8 minus 4 that is equal to 4, 5 plus into minus minus, 5 minus 1 that is equal to 4. Right? So what is the value of A plus B? 3, 3, 0, 9, 4, 4. Right? This is our A plus B. Okay. Now coming to fourth question. What is the fourth question? Given matrices A is 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1 and B is 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Then find 3B minus 2A. So first of all, we need to find 3B. Children, do you know what is the meaning of 3B? 3 is multiplied by matrices B. And what do you mean by 2A? 2A in the sense 2 is multiplied by matrix A. Okay, let me write 3 into matrix B is 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3 minus 2 into what is matrix A? Matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Right? Now 3 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 into 2, 3 2s are 6, 3 into 1, 3 1s are 3. Again 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 2, 6, 3 into 3, 9. Right? So element 3, 3 should be multiplied to each and every element of given matrix. Okay children? Minus Again children, 2 into 1, 2 1 ja 2, 2 into 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 into 3, 2 3 ja 6, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 1, 2. Right? We need to subtract 2 matrices. So subtraction of 2 matrices, 9 minus 2. And the second element 6 minus 4. And the third element 3 minus 6. Okay. Now second row 3 minus 6. 6 minus 4. 9 minus 2. Okay children. Now as 9 minus 2 that is equal to 7. 6 minus 4 that is equal to 2. 3 minus 6 that is equal to minus 3. 3 minus 6 that is equal to minus 3. 6 minus 4 that is equal to 2. 9 minus 2 that is equal to 7. Right? Therefore, the value of 3b minus 2a is 7, 2, minus 3, 2 and 7. Okay? This is our fourth question. Coming to fifth question, define trace of a matrix. Find the trace of 1, 3, minus 5, 2, minus 1, 5, 2, 0, 1. Do you know children, this is the most important question. What do you mean by trace of a matrix? Trace of a matrix is nothing but sum of elements in the principal diagonal. What do you mean by trace? Sum of elements in the principal diagonal. What do you mean by principal diagonal? See, if you consider the given matrix 1, 3, minus 5, 2, minus 1, 5, 2, 0, 1. First elements from the first row. So this is called our principal diagonal. Right? So what are the principal diagonal elements here? 1, minus 1, 1. I mean first row, first column element, second row, second column element, third row, third column element. So those elements are called principal diagonal elements. So trace means what? Sum of elements in the principal diagonal. I mean trace of A equal to sum of the principal diagonal elements. So we have 1 plus minus 1 plus 1. Those are the principal diagonal elements, right? 1 plus minus 1 plus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, right? So we have 1. So what is the trace of the given matrix? Trace of given matrix is 1. Okay children. Now coming to sixth question. Given matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Matrix B is 3, 7, 8, 3, 8, 7, 2. And 2x plus A equal to B. 2x plus A equal to B. Then find x. So no need of confusing here. What is given you have to write first of all. So 2x plus A equal to B. That is given. Now what to do? Plus here you transpose. So 2x equal to B minus A. 2x equal to B minus A. Right? Actually we need to find the value of x. Let us find out. So 2x equal to what is given matrix B? Matrix B is 3, 8, 7, 2 minus matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So subtraction of matrices, 2x equal to 3 minus 1. I can write as 2. Directly I am writing 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2. 6. 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3, 4. 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 that is equal to minus 2. Right? So children, so 2x equal to, if you observe here, 2, 6, 4 minus 2, they are the multiples of 2. So that I can take 2 as common. If I take 2 as common, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, right? That is minus 1. Now what I will do, left hand side 2, right hand side 2 gets cancelled. So children, therefore what is the value of x children? X is equal to 1, 3, 2, minus 1. Right? Actually they are asking to find x. We found x value 1, 3, 2, minus 1. Right? So don't confuse this sum. Nothing is there in that. 2x plus a equal to b is given. What we did to plus a we transpose it. It will become minus a. As usual subtraction. Now coming to 8th question. A equal to I 0 0 I. Then find a square. Children, do you know what do you mean by a square? A square is nothing but a into a, right? What do you mean by a square? A square is nothing but a into a. The same number is multiplied by itself twice, then we call it as a square number. So we have to find out a square. A square is nothing but a into a. A is given I 0 0 I into again I 0 0 I. Multiplication of matrices. I mean first row, first column. Okay children, let us multiply first row I into I plus 0 into 0. First row, first element I into I plus 0 into 0. Again first row, second column. First row, second column. I into 0 plus 0 into I. Okay. Now coming to second row, first column. 0 into I plus I into 0. Again 0 into 0 plus I into I. Right? I into I square plus 0 into 0, 0. I into 0, 0 plus 0 into I, 0. 0 into I, 0 plus I into 0, 0. 0 into 0, 0 plus I into I square. As we know children, I square plus 0 how much? I square plus 0, I square. 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus I square, I square. You know what is the value of I square? As I square value is minus 1. So in place of I square, I can write as minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. Right? So what is the value of A square? Our A square value is minus 1, 0, 0, minus 1. Okay. Now coming to 7th question. Given matrix A is 1, 0, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 6x. And det A is given 45. What is the meaning of det? Determinant of matrix A is given 45. We need to find the value of x. Okay. So given matrix A is given, and they said determinant of matrix A is 45. In the question they have given determinant of matrix A is 45. So let us find determinant of A. 1, 0, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 6x equal to 45. Right? So as we know that we have to check the signs. This is plus, minus and plus. Okay children. However, here we have element 0 and here also element 0. Okay. So let us see first of all 1. So we have to remove first row, first column. Given elements are 3, 4, minus 6x. Okay children. These are the elements. I mean 3 into x, 3x, minus into minus plus. Children, are you understanding? AD 3 into x, 3x, minus into minus, it will become plus. 6 into 4, 6 4 ja 24. Right? Again minus 0 into something, as 0 into something 0. So children, no need of writing. Okay. Again third element also, actually we have 0 only. 0 into something 0. Okay. If at all any other element is there here, we would be having right? But in this case we have 0 elements in their respective positions, so no need of writing, which is given in the question, which is equal to 45. So simply 1 into 3 into x, 3x, minus into minus plus, 6 for the 24. So 3x plus 24 equal to 45. Right? Now 3x equal to 24, you transpose 45 minus 24. So 3x equal to 5 minus 4, 1, 4 minus 2, 2. So x is equal to 21 by 3, 3 1 jar, 3 7 jar. So what is the value of x, children? As the value of x is 7. Actually they are asking to find find x value only. So here x value is what? 7. Okay, these are the most important 2 mark questions. Okay. Now coming to 9th question. If a equal to 2, 4, minus 1k and a square equal to 0, 0, 0, 0, then find the value of k. They are asking to find the value of k. See, they have given a square equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. I mean, which is a 0 matrix, right? So a square in the sense a into a, right? A into a. So what is matrix A? Matrix A is 2, 4, minus 1 k into 2, 4, minus 1 k. Right? Children, try to understand the question. A is given and a square is given 0, 0, 0. I mean, each and every element of a given matrix is 0, then that matrix is said to be 0 matrix. Right? A square is nothing but a into a. As given a value is 2, 4, minus 1k into a value is 2, 4, minus 1k. Okay? So a square values, we know that 0, 0, 0 equal to, let us multiply these two matrices. Multiplication of two matrices. First row, first column, 2 into 2, 4 plus 4 into minus 1, 4 1 is 4. Okay? Now, first row, second column. As 2 into 4, 2 4 is 8 plus 4 into k, 4k. First row over. Now second row, first column. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2 plus k into minus 1, minus k. Again, second row, second column. Minus 1 into 4, minus 4 plus k into k, k square. Right? So, let us equate their corresponding elements. Actually, they are asking to find the value of k. So, here we have 0 first element. Here also 4 minus 4, 0 only. As we got first element, first corresponding elements are same. Now, second element is 0 here. Here second element is 8 plus 4k. Okay? That is equate 0 equal to 8 plus 4k. So, plus 8 you transpose, I mean 0 minus 8 equal to 4k. As 0 minus 8 equal to 4k. 4 multiplying transpose minus 8 by 4 equal to k. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. Therefore, what is the value of k? Therefore, k value is minus 2. You take any two elements, any two corresponding elements. If you take 0 equal to minus 2 minus k also, you will get k value minus 2 only. If you take 0 equal to minus 4 plus k square also, you will get k equal to minus 2 only. Okay children, understanding question is important. Doing solution is not an important, right? That's what. Now coming to 10th question. If a equal to 2 minus 4 minus 5 3, then find first question a plus a transpose. This is called transpose. A plus a dash we call it as. transpose. What do you mean by transpose? If we interchange rows into columns and columns into rows, that is said to be transpose of a matrix. This is easy only. So let us see first question. So first one is A plus A dash. A plus A dash. What do you mean by A? A means 2 minus 4 minus 5 3 plus A dash. A dash means, see children, here row is what? 2 minus 4, right? We need to interchange, we need to transpose rows into columns. So what I will do, here row is 2 minus 4, let me make it into column. And here row is minus 5 3, let me make it as minus 5 3, that's all. Okay, A plus A transpose. Now addition of matrices, 2 plus 2, 4, minus 4 plus minus 5, minus 9, minus 5 plus minus 4, minus 9, 3 plus 3, 6. This is A plus A transpose. Now coming to second one, A into A transpose. Let me do second one. Second one, A transpose. Okay, as we know, A value is 2 minus 4 minus 5 3 into A transpose is 2 minus 5 minus 4 3. Multiplications of two matrices, right? 2 into 2 4 minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4, that is equal to plus 16. Again 2 into minus 5 minus 10 plus minus 4 into 3 minus 12. Minus 5 into 2 minus 10 plus 3 into minus 4 minus 12. Minus 5 into minus 5, that is equal to 25 plus 3 3s are 9. So 4 plus 16, 20, minus 10 minus 12, minus 22, minus 10 minus 12, minus 22, 25 plus 9, 34. So 20 minus 22, minus 22 and 34. Okay. Now coming to 11th question, define a symmetric matrix. You know what do you mean by symmetric matrix? If A transpose equal to A, then that matrix is said to be symmetric matrix. What do you mean by symmetric matrix? A transpose equal to A. If A transpose equal to A, that matrix is said to be symmetric matrix. Okay, given matrix is A equal to minus 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 3, x, 7. What do you mean by A transpose? Transpose is nothing but rows will become columns. Here first row is minus 1, 2, 3, it will become column. Second row is 2, 5, 6, it will become column. Third row is 3, x, 7, it will become column. 3, x, 7. This is our A transpose equal to A. Given matrix is minus 1, 2, 3, 2, 5, 6, 3, x, 7. Right? Let us equate corresponding elements. What is the corresponding element here? X corresponding element is 6, right? Corresponding x is 6 here. As well as corresponding x is 6 here. So what is the value of x, children? X value is 6. So the most important question, symmetric matrix. If a matrix is said to be symmetric matrix, if A transpose equal to A. As we know that transpose is nothing but rows. First row will become first column, second row will become second column, third row will become third column. Interchanging of rows and columns, right? That is said to be symmetric matrix. Okay. Now coming to 12th question, define skew symmetric matrix. What is the meaning of skew symmetric matrix? A matrix is said to be skew symmetric matrix if A transpose equal to minus C. What is that? A transpose equal to minus C. Minus C. The difference between symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix, here A transpose equal to A. But whereas here A transpose equal to minus C. Right? A transpose, let us transpose the given 0, 2, 1, minus 2, 0, minus 2, minus 1, x 0. This is our A transpose equal to minus A. I mean minus 0, 0 is neither positive nor negative. It will become 0 only. This will become minus 2. This will become minus 1. Minus 2 will become plus 2. 0. Minus 2 will become plus 2. Minus 1 will become plus 1. Plus x will become minus x and 0. Children, are you understanding? Minus A. We should multiply into minus. Minus 2. Minus 1. Minus will become plus. Plus will become minus. That's all. Okay. Now corresponding elements of x. Here x is 2, right? So what is the value of x? As the value of x is 2. Okay. This method, I mean transposition and symmetric matrix and skew symmetric matrix are the most important 2 mark questions. Okay. Now coming to 13th question, find the rank of given matrices. Okay. So first question, they have given matrix 1, 1, 1. All the elements are identical. Okay. You consider given matrix as A equal to 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So first of all, what to do? We need to find out determinant of A. I mean det A. We have to find det A. Right? So I mean plus, minus, plus 1 into 1 1 ja 1 minus 1 1 ja 1. Now second one is minus 1 into 1 1 ja 1 minus 1 1 ja 1 plus 1 into 1 1 ja 1 minus 1 1 ja 1. Because all elements are identical, however you will get determinant is 0. Without doing determinant, we can say that determinant of a given matrix is 0. Right? If determinant of a given matrix is 0, then what to do? We need to take a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay? Take 2 by 2 matrix. So let the 1 2 by 2 matrix is, let us take 1 1 1 1. Okay? Now let us find determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. So determinant of 2 by 2 matrix, 1 into 1 1 minus again 1 into 1 1. So determinant of 2 by 2 matrix is also 0. Determinant of a given matrix is 0 and determinant of a submatrix is also 0. Then rank of the given matrix is 1, children. Rank is how much? 1. Okay. Now let us see second question so that you will understand clearly. So given matrix is what? Given matrix is 1 2 3 2 3 4 0 1 2. Okay. Let us find determinant. Let us find the determinant of the matrix. Okay. This is plus minus plus 1 into 3 into 2 6 minus 1 into 4 4 and minus 2 into 2 2s are 4 minus 0 into 4 0 plus 3 into 2 1s are 2 minus 0 into 3 0. Okay. So 1 into as 6 minus 4 2 minus 2 into 4 minus 0 4 plus 3 into 2 minus 0 2. 1 into 2 2 minus 2 into 4 8 plus 3 2 ja 6. As 6 plus 2 8, 8 minus 8, that is equal to 0. Again here also determinant of a given matrix is 0. Now what to do? Take a 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. Let me take a 2 by 2 matrix. Take 2 by 2 matrix 3 4 1 2. Now let us find the determinant of 2 by 2 matrix. I mean 3 into 2, 3 2 ja 6 minus 1 into 4, 1 4 ja 4. So 6 minus 4, that is equal to 2. See here determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix we got 2, which is not equal to 0. If the determinant of a submatrix is not equal to 0, then the rank of a matrix is equal to 2. If determinant is 0 and the submatrix whose determinant is also 0, then rank equal to 1. If the determinant is 0 but the determinant of submatrix is not equal to 0, then rank is equal to 2. Okay. Now coming to third one, given matrix is 1 2 3 2 3 1 3 2 1. Let us find that determinant of given matrix. Plus minus plus 1 into 3 1 ja 3 minus 2 1 ja 2 minus 2 into 2 1 ja 2 minus 3 1 ja 3 plus 3 into 2 2 ja 4 minus 3 3 ja 9. So 1 into as 3 minus 2 1 minus 2 into 2 minus 3 minus 1 plus 3 into 4 minus 9 minus 5. So 1 1 ja 1 minus into minus plus 2 1 ja 2 plus into minus minus 2 3 5 ja 15. 1 plus 2 3 minus 15. So 3 minus 15, that is equal to minus 12. So determinant of a given matrix is not equal to 0. If the determinant of a matrix is not equal to 0, then directly we can say that rank of a matrix is 3. Okay, mostly they will ask this only, rank 3. If the determinant of a matrix is not equal to 0, then directly we can write rank equal to 3. No need of checking its submatrix. If the determinant of matrix is 0, then we have to find submatrix. If the submatrix determinant is not equal to 0, then rank 2. If the determinant of matrix is 0 and determinant of submatrix is also 0, then rank equal to 1. This is the most important question they may ask in board exams, right?